Scene script. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the renewable energy sector? Picture this. Vast fields of solar panels and wind turbines harnessing the power of the sun and the wind. Yet, despite the massive potential, renewable energy still faces significant challenges. Intermittency, grid management, and maintenance are just a few of the roadblocks on the path to a greener future. Now, imagine if we could overcome these hurdles with the power of artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to boost efficiency, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. It could manage and optimize energy grids, predict energy production and consumption, and enhance predictive maintenance of energy infrastructure. The application of AI in this sector is growing at an exponential rate, illustrating its increasing importance in our quest for a sustainable future. It seems that AI has the potential to significantly transform the renewable energy landscape. But how? Let's dive a little deeper. To understand the impact of AI on renewable energy, consider the case of wind energy. Wind energy, a key player in the renewable sector, has been harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to optimize its operations and increase its output. Take, for instance, a wind farm. Each turbine, a colossal structure reaching skywards, is more than just steel and blades. It's a treasure trove of data. Data about wind speed, wind direction, temperature, and turbine performance. AI, with its ability to process this vast amount of data, plays a crucial role in making sense of it all. Let's delve into the specifics. One of the prominent uses of AI in wind energy is predicting wind patterns. By analyzing historical data and real-time weather conditions, AI algorithms can accurately predict wind speed and direction. This allows operators to adjust the angle and speed of the turbines for maximum energy production. But AI's role doesn't stop at predictions.